I did not expect AI to help me with relationships. I expected it to help me with work, with productivity, with content creation and business systems and research, not with the messy human territory of how I showed up for the people around me. But something shifted when I started using Claude to prepare for difficult conversations, to reflect honestly on my communication patterns, and to try to understand perspectives genuinely different from my own. The shift was not in the people around me, it was in me. I became more considered before I spoke, more genuinely curious when someone disagreed with me, more aware of the gap between what I intended to communicate and what I actually communicated, more willing to acknowledge when I had been the problem rather than looking for the external cause. I want to be honest, this is not the expected use of AI. And the results were more personal and more significant than any productivity improvement AI has produced for me. Welcome to Tech Talk Tech. We upload every single day with fresh AI strategies. Subscribe now and hit the bell so you never miss tomorrow's video. How AI became a relationship tool. It started with difficult conversations. I was preparing for a conversation I had been avoiding for 3 weeks. I knew what I needed to say. I did not know how to say it without the conversation becoming defensive and unproductive. I gave Claude the full context, the relationship, the history, the specific situation, what I wanted the outcome to be, and what I was afraid would happen if I approached it the wrong way. Claude did not write a script for me to follow. It helped me think through why the other person might be experiencing the situation differently from how I was experiencing it. What legitimate concerns they might have that I had not fully considered. What I might be bringing to the conversation that was making it harder rather than easier. The conversation I eventually had was the most productive, difficult conversation I had ever managed. Not because I said the right words, because I walked in with a genuinely different understanding of the other person's position. That experience changed how I thought about what AI could do. Using AI for perspective taking. The most consistent and most valuable use of AI for relationships is perspective taking. Using Claude to genuinely understand how another person might be experiencing a situation. Most of us believe we understand other people's perspectives. We are worse at this than we think. We fill the gaps with our own assumptions, projecting our values, fears, and motivations onto others and responding to the projection rather than the person. Ask Claude to help you understand any relationship situation from the other person's perspective. Give it everything you know about them, their background, values, current pressures, history with you. Ask Claude to describe how they might be experiencing the situation you are navigating. Not to excuse harmful behavior. Not to invalidate your own feelings. But to give you a fuller picture before you respond. Responses based on fuller pictures produce better outcomes than responses based on partial information and projection. I used this practice before 3 significant conversations over 2 months. All 3 produced better outcomes than my previous approach would have generated. Identifying communication patterns. The second practice was using AI to identify my own communication blind spots. I described several situations where a conversation had not gone as intended. Claude identified 3 patterns across all of them. I led with information when the other person needed acknowledgement first. I would respond to someone sharing a problem by immediately offering a solution rather than recognizing how they felt. This made me seem efficient, but not empathetic. I used precision when warmth was needed. My direct communication style is effective professionally and experienced as cold personally. And I defended my intentions rather than acknowledging my impact. When someone communicated that something I had done hurt them, I explained what I intended rather than acknowledging what they experienced. Impact matters more than intention to the person on the receiving end. Practicing before the real conversation. The third practice was using AI to prepare for high-stakes conversations before having them in real life. I would give Claude the context of an upcoming conversation, who the person was, what I needed to discuss, what I was hoping to achieve, and what I was worried might happen. Then I would ask Claude to respond as that person might respond, based on everything I had shared about them and the situation. I would practice my opening, my listening, and my response to pushback. Claude would reflect back where my approach was still subtly defensive, where I was not yet genuinely listening, and where my language might land differently from how I intended. This practice removed the fear from difficult conversations that had previously caused me to avoid them for weeks. The conversation that felt impossible to start became manageable when I had already navigated it once. The honest results. After 2 months, 3 specific relationships improved measurably. Not because the other people changed, because I changed how I showed up. I stopped avoiding 2 conversations I had been deferring for months. Both resolved better than I expected. A relationship that had been strained for longer than it needed to be became significantly easier after I genuinely understood, through a perspective-taking session with Claude, what the other person had been experiencing. And I began catching my own defensive patterns in real time, rather than recognizing them only after the conversation was over. AI did not make me a better person. It gave me better tools for seeing myself honestly enough to become one. What relationship situation would most benefit from a genuine perspective-taking session right now? Drop it in the comments. I personally reply to every comment. If this gave you a new way to think about using AI for the things that matter most, please give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to Tech Talk Tech. We upload every single day. See you tomorrow.